Are you a first-time mom or dad? Taking care of a newborn can feel overwhelming, especially when everyone around you seems to have different advice. Some suggestions may sound helpful, but they can actually be harmful for your baby. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 things you should never give a newborn, and more importantly, what you should do instead. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last mistake is still very common in many families. And before we begin, if you're a first-time parent, we have a free gift for you. Download the First-Time Parent's Guide through the link in our profile bio. It's packed with practical tips that can help you feel more confident during your baby's first months. Now, let's get started. Number 1, water. Many people think babies need water, especially on hot days. After all, adults need water to stay hydrated, so it seems logical that babies would need it too. But newborns are different. For babies under 6 months old, giving water is generally not recommended unless specifically advised by a healthcare professional. Too much water can interfere with their feeding and may affect their body's natural balance. What should you do instead? If your baby is breastfed, continue offering breast milk whenever they show signs of hunger. If your baby is formula fed, follow your pediatrician's instructions carefully. Breast milk and infant formula provide the hydration newborns need during their first months of life. Number 2, honey. Honey is often seen as a natural and healthy food. Because of that, some people think it's safe to give a small amount to a baby. However, babies under 1 year old should not be given honey. Honey can contain bacteria that may cause infant botulism, a rare but serious illness. What should you do instead? The safest option is simple. Avoid honey completely until your child is at least 1 year old. Your baby doesn't need added sweeteners during this stage of development. Breast milk, formula, and age-appropriate foods later on will provide everything they need. Number 3, before we continue, if you're a first-time parent and want more simple tips like these, we have a free gift for you. We've put together a helpful first-time parent's guide filled with practical advice, newborn care tips, feeding guidance, and common mistakes to avoid. You can download it through the link in our profile bio. Thousands of new parents struggle with the same questions, and this guide can help make those first months much less stressful. Now, let's continue with number 3. Number 3, herbal teas. Many families use herbal teas for colic, gas, or sleep problem. You may have heard recommendations for chamomile tea, fennel tea, or other homemade remedies. The problem is that newborns have very sensitive digestive systems. Some teas may interfere with feeding or may not be suitable for young babies. What should you do instead? If your baby seems uncomfortable, talk to your pediatrician.